Here's another great RV from Dodd RV of Eastern Virginia.
This is Forest River's Rockwood Mini Lite-2514.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV in the dealer's inventory. Please consult the dealer's inventory for actual details on this RV.
Be sure to subscribe as we add new inventory on a regular basis. Dodd RV is an authorized dealer for many of the top brands. Dodd RV's reputation spans more than 50 years and has been built on one thing: trust. Check us out on the web at doddrv.com or stop by any one of our dealerships in Eastern Virginia.